Hi, welcome to automation-testing.in. In this video, we will see add dependencies without pom.xml in IntelliJIDEA. So adding the dependencies without pom.xml. So this is not the correct one actually. So without visiting pom.xml. Okay, so without going into pom.xml, we can add dependencies to pom.xml. In the IntelliJIDEA out of the box, you have that option. Okay, so you can add or update the existing dependency also. So it's not without. So but ultimately we need to add the dependencies to pom.xml only. So add dependencies to the pom.xml without navigating or without visiting this pom.xml in IntelliJIDEA. Okay, so how we can do that, we'll see. So let's jump into the IntelliJ. So this is my IntelliJ. So first I'll create one Maven project. So file, new project. So this is Maven project. I'll click on next. So I'll select one folder. So I'll go to the desktop, and the desktop, I have one dummy folder called temp. I'll take the temp. Okay, and then finish. So then it will ask me, I'll take new window. So let it load everything. I don't bother about all those things. So let me resolving this map. You see that pom.xml. So normally what we will do, we'll go to MVN repository. Right, we'll go to the MVN repository and we'll search something. I'll say Selenium. So once I get, I'll go to the Selenium Java and I'll go to the latest version of that 4.0, and then I'll copy here and I'll come back here and I'll create dependency section here. Right, dependency section, and I'll paste here. Right, so that is what we'll do normally, but I don't want to go to this browser and open Maven repository.com and search and copy paste. I don't want to do all these things. Okay, so you have that option here out of the box in IntelliJ. So once you create a Maven project, you see that pom.xml, or then you see one of the options in the down to do problems, terminal, build, and dependencies. Right, so I'm interested in this tab, dependencies. So when you click on these dependencies, you see all modules, and my priority is temp. Okay, so in the right side you have a search button here, you see, and you have a cursor. You can put a cursor here, and I'll search Selenium again here. Okay, and you see that r.selenium.hq.selenium and Selenium Java, and the version is 4.0.0, and you can see all the versions, which version you want. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll take the previous version, one of the 3.9.1, and I can add this. You see, simply if I say add here, you see that it created a dependency stack, and inside that it created the dependency. Okay, 3.9.1, I need to refresh to download all the jars. Right, so that is one thing. And then, and for this pom.xml, go to the dependencies, and again you can search, and here you need to know just which, that no artifact ID, all these things. If you have general idea, then you can directly search here and you can add. No need to go to Maven repository. Okay, and here you see this 3.9.1 is the one which you using, and you see there is another upper version 4.0.0, and you see that upgrade option. Okay, so because of that, I want to show that upgrade option. Because of that, I have taken the lower version. And again, you can search. What is that? I'll search test-ng. Okay, so test-ng, r.test-ng, this is the one. So the latest version is 7.4.0. So I can directly add this. Okay, so and then go here, and you see that test-ng added in between these dependencies after this Selenium Java. Okay, if you go here, and it will not show anything here, and you need to refresh this. your pom.xml. So it will try to download everything. You see, resolving the dependencies of temp project. Okay, it will take some time. So it's almost done, it seems. So it is indexing something. Yeah, it's done. You see that red color became white color. So everything is done. And I think here. So now we have two dependencies, right? We added two dependencies without going to the Maven repository and search and copy paste from here. Okay. Now I want to upgrade this, right? So that is what I want to see. Now 3.9.1. So go here and you can search here the same again. If you remove the search, I think it will show only the one which you added. Okay. So let me close this. And otherwise just search Selenium. Normally it has to show only the one which you added. Okay. So now I'll do Selenium again. It's loading something, it seems. It is doing some operation here. So I closed and opened that, some issue. So normally you see that if you come here, it will show what are the dependencies you added. Okay. So what I'll do once again, test ng. And if I something like test ng, and if I remove this, so it will go back to the one which you added. Previously something is loading, it's stuck, it seems. So I restarted the IntelliJIDEA, then I can see, you see that one of the things which you, and you can see here some warning kind of, if you hover on this, upgrade to 4.0, and the same thing here it is showing, and you can see that upgrade, and if you have latest version, you do not have upgrade and add. Okay, so I'll upgrade this. You see that once you click here, you see you will get an upgrade option here, upgrade. Some issue, it seems. Upgrade. So if it is upgrade is not working, then you can directly select 4.0 here, 4.0, and you can refresh your project. At the same procedure, I think it's not working or my machine issue. So you can do like this. Okay. And if you want to remove something, so normally will confuse or you will remove something else, right? Other dependency tag, and will face some issues. So instead of that, you come here, select which one you want to remove. So I selected the Selenium, and you have 3 ellipses here, 3 dots, and just remove. You see that it got removed. Right, I have only test engine. Now you can see only this test engine here. So this is how, without going to the Maven repository and copy paste, you can manage everything from this dependencies tag from the IntelliJIDEA. So very simple, right? Efficient, I feel. So I just thought of sharing this information. So this is how you can add dependencies to your pom.xml using IntelliJIDEA. Okay, that's all in this video. Thank you for watching this video. So please subscribe to the channel for further interesting updates. Thank you.